when you try to connect to the engine, the system will prompt you and show you what are some of the ways that you can connect. You can connect via Bluetooth, via USB to your Jaltest device, couple that with the JDC 213.9 and the 505A JDC. This will get you connected, and then it'll tell you exactly where the plug would go on your system. It'll tell you with images, and once you click in, it'll determine easily which engine it is. You won't have to do any kind of guesswork and determine which engine that you'll be selecting. This is what the cable looks like, 505A. And for any reason, if you don't have this cable available or handy, you can always use the multi-pin connector. This is always part of the kit. It's included, so you can always use that as well. Let's jump into the fault code reading first. And as soon as we jump in, there are some fault codes stored in the memory. Let's have a look at the engine intake air mass flow rate. We will go ahead and look at the freeze frame data, which will tell us the last occurrence, what was the date, what was the last time, if the warning lamp is on or not, what's the system state, if it's active or not active. And you can also get help and components from the fault code. For example, for this specific issue, the fault is with the CB. This is the specific part, the CB74, the air mass flow sensor. It'll tell you what the sensor looks like and what is the possible fault, if it's the voltage, or if there's any kind of connectivity issue. It will tell you exactly right then and there. And especially it'll show you the pinout. Mechanics won't have to do any kind of guesswork. They can easily see the pinout and make their decisions from there. So let's have a look at the left side. As you can see over here, wiring diagrams as well as troubleshooting by symptoms. I'll show you a little bit about the wiring diagram. So we're just going to select that, and it'll show us exactly how you can basically make decisions if you like to check a sensor or see if something is wrong. For example, we're looking at the control relay glow plug, so you can see exactly that this is where the issue is, or where it's located, the location and everything. So this will give your mechanic a real good insight as to what he's up against. For example, this is the differential pressure sensor of the particular filter, and he can have a look at exactly what the sensor looks like, and especially what's the location of the sensor. So it's located right here. And let's have a look at the monitoring section as well. So let's look at the live data points. I believe we have somewhere around 84 live data points, all the way from pressure, temperature to voltage, mass, and so on. You can select the ones that you need individually or select them all and then look at them in real life time. If any pressure is too high, if something has a low pressure, you can always look at that and make your decisions accordingly as to how they can be fixed. Okay. Let's jump out of that real quick, and let me give you an idea about the system display. This will show you the system display of the fuel in real life time and give you a bit of an idea as to how the gauges are performing and how you can make decisions on this as well. Right. And let's have a look at the troubleshooting by symptoms. For example, if you're facing some problems but you don't really know how to fix them, maybe your mechanic is new perhaps, if there's excessive consumption of engine oil, low engine compression, you can quickly go into that and fix that step by step as to what are some of the problems that you're facing with the machine then and there. So it'll take you step by step through the whole thing and show you.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.